Alright guys, this is Miami Automobile Technical Services. This will be the part 4 of this video of this 5.0 engine Range Rover. So guys, I'm just trying to test the rings inside the block. As you can see how the rings look like before I will actually fix the rings on the pistons, so you can all see them, how they all look like. It's blunt somehow, so I want you to, I need to be a little bit stable with my hand. Okay, so you can see this is a normal size ring. So this is 5.0 Range Rover. So guys, this is a piston, so I want to start coupling the engine right now. So I want to show you how I will install the rings on the piston on this Range Rover 5.0. This is the oil ring. I'll be starting from the oil ring. I'll be starting for the oil ring. You know, the key of the oil ring is here, so I have to, this is the spring, this is the spring, so this mouth has to be far away from it, so I will just take it to that side. Now shift it to correct. Okay, this is going to, so guys, just watch what I'm doing. I'm looking for the, okay, so let's go. To this side, that they have a number to face up. So guys, let's go. Let's install one of the piston. I will show you how you're going to position the rings. Okay guys, we have one of the mouths here or for the oil ring. Then we have the second one here, but it's too far. I need to a little bit shift it, but don't take it very close to each other. Then we go like this. As you can see the distance of the second ring. Then here we go. This is the third ring. So this is how I couple my engine, and it will work very long. So let's go, guys. So just like I say, this is bank 1 that I'm starting from. Then you look at the shape of the connecting rod, how the connecting rod will go in there, and then like this. Let's go. So guys, let's go. So this is bank 1 of the top cylinder. Okay guys, this is the cap. So you have to make sure this color is facing the con rod, the same color on the connecting rod on the block engine. So it has to be inside. So guys, I will install another piston on the bank 2 so that you see how everything will sit and face. Then I'll be coming up with the second video when I want to mount the top cylinder. So watch how I will mount the second piston. I have to test. This is bank 2 of the block engine, so I need to test the rings. Wow, very nice. But I have to confirm all is okay. Wow, perfectly seated. Alright guys, let's go. So this is the bank 2. So this is how it will be going in. So guys, this is how it will be going in, like this, so that it will carve a hole like this. So I also fix the rings the way I fixed the other one on the bank 1. So guys, let's go. 2 of this. This is the bank 2. So let's go. So this is where this paint, this color will face on this other side, while we have the other side here. So guys, let's go. So this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Miami Automobile. Please subscribe. I'll be coming with the next video when I want to mount the top cylinder after mounting the bottom plate, or I will also show you a video where I'll mount the bottom plate and then weight balancer, the primary pump. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Miami Automobile. Subscribe, like my video, share my video. Please guys, subscribe. Just don't watch without subscribing on my video. Please subscribe please. Thanks for watching.